Hey guys, this is David's Movie House, aka Ferris Bueller Fanatic 2001, and today I'm going to show you the video that we are having a heavy uses of rain. Now, I do kind of like the rain, but I don't know why it had to rain that much. Yep, I heard the thunder. I heard the thunderstorm. I gosh darn knew it. See that? Look at that over there. And look at that over there. The dirt is starting to become like mud puddles. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at all that. Rain is just so darn wet. I have no idea what the heck is going on in here. I see a couple drops of water. I don't know if you can see that. There it is. It's gonna drop any minute. See? And there's more drops right there. I don't know if you can see that or not. The rain is slowing down for now, but it's going to continue. As far as I could see. And hope see more drops. See. Yeah, look at the clouds up there. Yucky. Oh my god. Yeah, look at that. Oh, and there's more over there too. Looks like it's the road, and this half along with that half over there are just starting to make a pile of river. This rain is just completely chaotic, man. What in the heck? Yeah, look at all that. Little bird. Wow. One crazy weather right here. Yep. Like I said, you never know what the heck is going on. And there you all have it.